Deputy Governor of Edo State, Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu, don join ogbonge Afenmai pipo for Newark, New Jersey for the 2023 15th edition of Afenmai World Congress, wey get the theme Afenmai Youth Development and Entrepreneurship, hosted by Esako USA Incorporated, wey Edo Deputy Governor attend as special guest of honor. The Congress na event for people of Afenmai land to come together, talk and articulate ideas wey go bring ogbonge development to Afenmai land. Una go remember say the Congress don first support Edo State government effort to check insecurity for the state and come still provide money to buy patrol vehicles and other gadgets to use for Edo North. Oga Shaibu say as government, they don make Edo State dey safe for everybody, and the area of herdsmen and kidnapping na thing of the past as they no collabo with security agency, traditional rulers to bring peace to the state.
On behalf of the Governor of Edo State, also send his greetings to Afenmai World Congress. As I call him, my senior brother and boss, Mr. Godwin Obaseki, send his greetings and send his well wishes to all of us. As a government, we are trying to keep the state safe, because only when the state is safe and peaceful that what we want to make of it will be possible. No investor will bring his money to a state that is not peaceful and secure. We've had serious challenges, not just Edo, the entire country, but Edo also have its own fair share of the issue of insecurity in our state. But hopefully we're able to bring it down. The challenge we have now is homicide. We've been able to deal with the issue of kidnapping. We should be able to deal with issues of herdsmen and farmers' clashes. We've been able to deal with it. That, by the grace of God, has become something that is not common again. I won't say it's completely eradicated, but in our state, issue of herdsmen and farmer has been dealt with, and through the support of all the traditional rulers and the new security architecture that young son was privileged to midwife, and we've been able to deal with issue of herdsmen and farmers' clashes and issue of kidnapping. You are aware, we had a train hijack in Igwebe, just like the one that happened in Kaduna. And I had to go on my knee to pray to God that each time I'm acting, there shouldn't be issue of insecurity again. Because the first one happened, we were able to deal with it. And the governor left the state again 14 days. In between, these guys came and hijacked a train in Edo. And we were able to deal with it again. And in dealing with it, a lot of things were revealed again. Because there's no way issue of security will happen without connivance with the people on ground. And that one was a major problem, because we didn't want what happened in Kaduna to happen in Edo. I have to go there again, give 1 week ultimatum. In that 1 week, out of the 1 week, 4 days of that 1 week, I was with them in the bush. And when I mean I was with them in the bush, I was there, not physically there with them. And we were able to use technology and others to be able to get these people out unhurt. The only person that was hurt was not among the train hijack. It was another kidnapping. So in the course of trying to save those that were hijacked, we met that one on the way. And we were able to still rescue her. And fortunately for her, the gunshot pierced through her back, but no major damage, and she's fine today. But the other train hijack, we rescued everybody. All of them were rescued. And I won't give you the details. We cannot rescue people, and those that kidnap, we also won't be rescued. There was serious combat, but we were able to get 3 out of the 13 alive. And through those 3, we were able to track and got a lot of information where they came from and how their operations and why they had to come to Edo for such operation. And the information we got from them also helped us to tighten our security. So those were the last set of the invaders in Edo. Since then, we've been able to put the issue of security in where it belongs in Edo. I'm not going to, issue of security is not going to give details, but I'm not paraphrasing. For the past 2 to 3 weeks, we've had issues of homicide, and that is as a result of school court clashes. There have been those issues that have been on school courts. We've been able to also deal with that.
Shaibu na active member and major participant for the Congress for many years, and other people wey tanda for the event na Halaji Kanoba, President of ESACO New Jersey, USA, Bright Akutienwi, former Chief of Staff to Edo State Government, Comrade Taiwo Akerele, President Leadership of Afenmai World Congress, Fatima Dankano, amongst others. Aweroso Ogene Ejo, TMC TV News.